What is going on, my brothers and sisters? Okay, guys, what I'm going to be doing is starting a completely new video series called Make Me Do It. Here is my plan. So, for me to go to a live craps table, it's about 2.5 hours away. And so, I mean, that's a 4.5, 5 hour round trip, let alone playing craps when I'm there. So, that's an excursion. That's a vacation. God dang it. That takes an entire day to leave, go play craps, and then come home and then explain to the wife why I was gone for so long. So what we're going to do is, what I was thinking is that in my area, I don't have a live craps table, but what I do have is e-craps. So the beauty part about this e-craps, number one, is I can bet as low as $1. That means a $1 place bet on a 6 and 8, a $1 on the 5 and 9, and so on and so forth. The minimum bet is $1, which gives me a lot of flexibility. I can make $100 last a long time. At the same time, here's what I'm wanting to do. With this Make Me Do It series, I want to test betting strategies on a random scale. What do I mean by that? Well, here is what I mean. They have drag races. I don't know if you can hear that. I live pretty close to the Indianapolis 500, and they have drag racing going on, so there's a lot of noise in the background. Sorry about that. What I mean is, with this e-craps game, there is no better example as far as random shooters. So for the past year, 2 years, what me and a lot of good people on YouTube have been doing is showing different dice skills and dice landing zone and grips and throws and everything to do with dice influence and dice control. But a big question out there is how best to bet on random shooters. When it comes to an e-craps game, it's all algorithms, right? I mean, yeah, you can mess around with it and act like you're spinning the dice and rotating the dice back and forth and what have you. You can do that, but let's face it, it's an algorithm. It is craps algorithms, and you know, it's really random when it comes to an e-machine. So how best to test a random shooter and how to bet on random shooting than an e-craps? That's what I want to do. I want to put the blender. I want to put the iron cross. I want to put, you know, guts and glory. I want to put all kinds of systems to test on an e-machine and see what we get. And the beauty part about this also is I can bet low limit. With a $100 bankroll, I can just whatever I bet and win, let's just pretend to add in a zero to the end of that. So $10 or $1 will become a $10 bet. If I win $1.50, put a zero on the end of that, it becomes $100, $150. You know, so we have to pretend a lot with the numbers, but this is my challenge to you guys. I want you guys to propose betting strategies to me. I will go to this e-craps game at my local casino and give it a shot. I will do my best to record it and to film it. So what I have today, I actually went today. I went and shot some footage, and guess what? I had the cell phone, which was all I had it at the wrong angle. For instance, let's say that this is my cell phone. Instead of pointing here where I needed to, I had it down too far. I thought that I had the right angle. I didn't. I was pointing down the whole time. So I am going to get a better strategy as far as recording. I have actually been looking at a couple button cams that I can just put right on me and just record it away. But guys, this is a call out. I want to invite you guys to send me your craft strategies that you want me to test in a casino, regardless of what it is. Email it to me directly. I'll put my email in the description. It's 99crapsplayer99@gmail. Send me your strategies. Let me see what you got. Be thorough in your explanations, because I don't want to guess a lot of it and then you guys reply later on saying, "No, that's not right. You did it wrong." So guys, This is my new series, Make Me Do It. Submit to me your betting strategies. If you want me to test it, I'll test it out on a random shooter environment. Let's see how it goes. No dice control, no dice influence. This is completely random. Let's see what we can do. I love you guys. I hope that this will take off and you guys enjoy this. Just let me know what you think. Let me know what you want me to do, and I'll get it done. Today I just have a quick preview. I'm just going to do a quick drive on to my casino and just kind of we'll go from there. And have you know, I'm not a slot player, but I do have some bonus footage today. I was up a little bit at the e-game and at the electronic craps, and I went and spent a couple of my winnings at a slot machine, so I do have a little bonus slot play for you today. But guys, I love you. Submit to me what you want. Otherwise, guys, Make Me Do It. New series gonna be starting very soon. CP is out. Let's do this. Just for some fun, my favorite slot machine, I'm gonna give it a go. Just for a little bit of fun. I'm not a slot player, but we're gonna give this a little bit of a shot. Well, assuming that I'll take the money. Nope, that'll go. Come on. Okay. Gonna wait until the credit goes up and then just a little extra buffer. What the heck? Go! Okay. Try this way. Go! That's it. Simply tap that icon. You can get those entries activated. Again, we have our finale drawing that kicks off at 3 o'clock this afternoon. Good luck. Okay, I'll take 20. Love those bars. Just for some fun here, people. Not a big slot player, just having a little fun. Okay, back-to-back bars. Oh, come on. No. Come on, baby. Stop dancing. Time to make some love. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Okay, take the any bar. Okay. Keeps dancing around the junk. Look at that, just dancing. Just constant giving me the finger.
on, baby. Come on, baby. Okay. Staying alive, staying alive. Dancing around it. Oh. We'll take it. So any 3.7s is 200 credits. So that's a quick 50 bucks. Tell you what, it's a lot more than kind of what I started with. Let's just do 1 credit and spend. Oh man, that's a sign. Let's go to the next machine. What do you think?